Kapag magulo ng mundo,
My dearest Calvin, babe, belated happy birthday and happy anniversary. Yes, finally meron na tayong official date to celebrate. And I'm beyond excited to stand before all these beautiful people and share how God's love has worked so amazingly in our relationship.
sa pagkabahala.
Isaiah 60 verse 22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. And that is today, babe.
Sa dami
Hi, babe. I can't wait to see you at the aisle today. I hope you love my gift. It's a little reminder that no matter what time it is, I'll always love you. See you soon. I love you. Your Mrs. Castro, Liza.
kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag
Minsan nainis din tayo sa mga spouses natin dahil sa mga unpredicted tantrums at kung ano-ano pa. But the love of God is unconditional. The love that forgives. Because in marriage, everything is forgivable. You will decide to forgive each other.
Two years ago, nawalan ako ng pag-asa na may magmamahal sa akin. Kasi most of the time, sanay akong humahabol. Sanay akong pinipilit yung sarili ko. But with you, you made me realize na ang sarap palang magmahal ng hindi pilit. Ang sarap palang magmahal ng hindi hinihingi.
I still remember how we started, exchanging conversation, na ibabalik mo yung bayad mo na laging kulang. At first, naisip ko, baka may problema lang siya sa math. But I realized he's doing it on purpose just to keep seeing me.
mundo, kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko.
Sinasakay mo naman yan lahat. Mapagpasensya, mapagmahal sa magulang. Sana wag magbago. At saka lagi lang ako nandito na hanggang umalalay. Alam mahal kita na.
I promise that I will take care of you, our family, our parents, and of course, your dreams. And I promise that in the best of my strength and the guidance of our Lord, I will remain faithful to you. I love you, and happy birthday.
Ika'y sasalubungin. Kapag magulo.
Babe, you are the man my mama and papa would have wanted for their baby girl. There is no doubt in my heart that they was so happy to giving me away to you today. At first, I wasn't sure I'd find a love like this before, not because I didn't believe someone like you existed. I just didn't believe I deserve you. Mas marami naman talagang mas maganda sa akin tsaka mas mabait eh. Ako mukhang mabait lang.
At ang mundo'y
That anytime that you look at your finger, reminds you of a woman waiting for you in your home. Because marriage is about magsama at maging tapat. Glyza, nag-asawa ka ng gwapo, magdesisyon ka ng tama. Wala tayong magagawa.
iyong nakikita habang pumipikit ka na sa bawat pagtawag. Ang oras tinatabi at ang puso ay magkala.
Iwan sa 360 camera kasi alam ko namang gustong-gusto mong kuhanan yung pogi kong mukha. Kidding aside, we'll capture our cherished moments together. I love you, babe. I can't wait to say I do later. Your future husband, Calvin.
Magduda pa, di mapagkakaila, magkaiba na natin tataya pa rin sa'yo. Saan man mapadpad, matalat o malipad, magkalayo man ang ating.
Pangako sa akin, you will hurt. Pakikinggan ko lahat ng chika mo. You can tell me everything. Umiyak ka kapag gusto mo. Tumawa ka if you need to. Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap sa tabi ko. Hindi ko lang mapapromise sa'yo is masabi agad yung daan kung kakaliwanan ko or kakanan.
Kung aking bumubulong at ang araw na yumayakap sa iyong lang babalik ang puso kong
2 years ago, bumili lang ako sa iyo ng Coke at Safeguard. Sa tindahan nyo sa Oro, na magiging Oro na. Oro Castro. Joke lang po. Nandiyan po yung may-ari.